In this tutorial, what I'm going to go over is getting a GitHub account. We'll be using GitHub as a tool for you to back up your programming code so that if something happens in whatever development environment you're writing your code in, at least you have a backup copy of it so you'll never lose any of your code. When you sign up for the account, make sure that you use your new @mths.ca email address, and make sure that when you create your profile, use your real name so that when I look at your GitHub account, I know that it's actually you. And GitHub is a third party. I don't have access to resetting your password, so whatever you do, make sure that you remember your password. So what we're going to do is we're going to just go to Google and we're going to Google GitHub. It should be the first link. We're going to go to this page and we're going to click sign in so that you can, sorry, not sign in, sign up so that you can get your new GitHub account. So this is your username. Remember I said please use your real name. So Jane Smith, except you'll notice that it can only contain alphanumeric characters, a single hyphen. Okay, so to separate your name, what I would suggest you do is use a dash. Now you'll notice that Jane Smith, I can't use that as a username, and the reason is because there probably already is a Jane Smith. So if you just do Jane Smith -2, you'll see that it becomes available. So if for some reason your name doesn't work, then just put a -2 or some other number after it, or maybe use your middle name as well, and then that will work so that you can get that. Please remember to use your @mths.ca email address, your new one. When you go to do your password, once again, it has to be at least 8 characters with a number, an upper, lower, and hopefully a special character. It's got a weird thing to verify your account. Pick the Spiral Galaxy. So they have different kinds of things to prove that you're not a computer, and then create the account. It will ask you some information just so that they can understand who you are. So you're a student, you might have very little programming experience, you're going to learn to code, and I'm just going to leave that interested and continue with setting up. So it will send you an email. So if we go back to our email address, you'll notice that there's a GitHub email waiting for me. So you open up the email and you confirm, yes, you really are that person. And there you go, you've verified your email. And this is the page that I want you to take a screenshot of. You now have your very own GitHub account, and we'll be using this virtually every day to save our code.